Okay, this video is going to be a little bit shorter than the other ones because I'm going to explain to you what's going to happen next, and then what you're going to do is you're going to go to, hold on, let me adjust that. Then what you're going to do is you're going to go back to the class webpage and go ahead and watch a PowerPoint presentation that I have that's going to talk about what's called the median voter. But what I want to do beforehand is go ahead and explain what I mean by the concept of the median voter, to go ahead and sort of introduce the idea. Then when I'm done, you go back and you go ahead and you just look at, hold on. Okay, sorry. Then what you're going to do is you're just going to go back and look at the presentation, and then you'll come back to the video. So it's just going to be a short one to introduce the concept of the median voter. So, and then it'll make more sense in a second why we're talking about the median voter. Now, if you look on your lecture notes, the definition of a median is the middle value in a set of values arranged in order. The middle value in a set of values arranged in order. So I want to give you an example. It's kind of a crude example because this program doesn't really offer me a ton of opportunities to sort of explain this. I can't write numbers down or anything, so I'm going to do my best with dots. And I want you to imagine that down here on the bottom of the screen, I'm going to put dots. Or you know what, I think I'll do it here. I'm going to put some dots going up and down. And what this list is going to do, I'll just put the dots and then I'll tell you what the list is. So here we go. There are my little dots. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9. High-tech stuff, huh? Totally high-tech. Okay, so this is my list, okay? And what this is a list of is, we're going to say, it's easier pointing this way, we're going to say that this is a list of homes, from the least expensive home up here to the most expensive home right there. Okay, so we'll just say, for the sake of discussion, that home costs $250,000, and then this one down here at the bottom cost $10 million. And then these are all, since this is $200,000, it's going up in price and up in price and up in price until this is the $10 million house. Okay, that's my list of homes. If I were to ask you, what's the average price of these homes, what you would do is you would total up the total cost of all the homes, and then you would divide it by 9, and that would give you the average cost of a home. But the median is something different. Again, the median, the middle value in a set of values arranged in order. These are homes arranged from least expensive to most expensive. Well, where's the median? Which dot here is the median? Well, as it turns out, let me give you a second. I will sip my coffee. You can go ahead and decide where the median is. Very good. That is the median. And why is that the median? Because there are 4 homes that are less expensive, and there are 4 homes that are more expensive. That's what makes that the median. And it doesn't matter how much each of these homes cost or how much each of these homes cost. So this house could be $200,000, $201,000, $202,000, $203,000, and this could be $204,000, this could be $205,000, $206,000, $207,000, and this house could be our $10 million house. So all these homes could be almost the exact same price, just $1 difference, and this one is a $10 million house, way more expensive. That is still the median, because it's the middle value in a set of values that have been arranged in order. Well, in voting, when you think about voting, we talked about how you can go ahead and put people on a single dimension. We've talked about how, let me get rid of these. There we go. You can arrange people on a single dimension from least conservative to most conservative, right? So again, using my fancy little technique in here, maybe I'll introduce some color here to make the picture. Let's say we're arranging people from the most liberal, I'm going to do it down here, most liberal to somewhat less liberal to even less liberal to now we're going to depict the middle of the range as somebody who's purple, and then we're going to go people who are somewhat conservative, and then a little more conservative, and then the most conservative. So there we have people arranged from the most liberal to a moderate, somebody in the center, to the most conservative. Once again, this person here, whoop, that person right there, the purple dude, is the median voter. Why? Because there are 5 people who are more liberal and 5 people who are more conservative. That's what the median is, whether you're talking about home prices, whether you're talking about voters, because this is people, once again, think about it, the middle value in a series of values arranged in order. Well, the order here is from most liberal to most conservative. What we're going to be talking about is this median voter, because it turns out the median voter is an extremely important concept and idea in politics, and it explains a great deal. Understanding how the median voter works and how elections work is very important. So with that in mind, go watch the PowerPoint demonstration, and then you'll come back to the next video in the sequence. Okay? And I hope you enjoyed this high-tech graphics.